In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark zones in TradingView. Now, the easiest way to do this is using rectangles. To enable rectangles, you want to go to the left over here on your drawing panel. If you can't see it, click in the top left on your profile icon and make sure drawings panel is enabled like this. And then you want to hover over this brush tool over here, click on the arrow next to it, and from here you can see shapes, and there's the rectangle. Of course, you can trigger this by also pressing Alt plus Shift plus R on your keyboard, and whenever you do this, it's going to basically enable that tool. And now we have to click for the first time, drag it out, and then click for the second time with, of course, your left mouse click, and there we go. That's going to mark the zone. Okay, of course you can move it around, you can change its size however you want. It's fully customizable, which is great here. And of course you can go up top here and you can change its appearance. You can change what the border color is, like that. You can change the inside fill color as well, and then of course you can change the text color, the opacity, the thickness of lines, and everything like that. Okay, so that's how to mark zones. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.